everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I am the Beauty Witch. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're staying safe and staying at home. And today's video is going to be an unboxing video. It is going to be for the April 2020 Goddess Provisions box. I am pretty excited for this, and I did see on the Instagram that the theme is going to be about crystals, so that is very exciting. So if you guys want to see what is in this month's box, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I know the lighting has changed just a little bit. I was having some difficulties recording on my camera, so I am now using my boyfriend's nice iPhone 8 Plus phone. And honestly, this lighting is much better. But what I was mentioning is that if you guys don't know what Goddess Provision is, they are a monthly subscription box. And every box comes with a crystal, spiritual, and self-care tools. And every product that's in these boxes are vegan. And also, for each box sold, it plants a tree. So that is also amazing. I meant to say they plant a tree. You guys know what I mean. And yeah, this box goes for $33 a month. I do know they have some packages where you can save some money. So yeah, if you guys are interested, definitely check it out. And hopefully this month's box is just as good as the other one. I opened it already, and from the first product that I'm seeing, it looks like a candle from what the looks of it is. Yeah, it is. So this is Lilac and Willow Moonstone hand-powered soy candle. This looks so nice. I already love the packaging. I think I've seen this at Urban Outfitters if I'm not mistaken. This packaging looks very familiar. Oh my god, look how beautiful that is. It has like some petals in it, and it looks like there's some crystals, maybe salt if that is. Wow, that smells amazing. So far I love. This is already like just beautiful. I don't know what scent that is. I smell, like I was mentioning in my other ones, like I'm really not good when it comes to my senses. So let me try to pull the card out. There's usually a card in here. And yeah, every month they also give you a card that has some art in it. And this one, it has like a nice little crystal on it because like I mentioned, the theme of this box is crystals. So yes, and they always have a monthly mantra. For this month is the ancient wisdom of crystals guides my sacred path, which is very nice. So let me see if I can find. So this candle goes for $12, and it says, light this gorgeous soy wax candle to infuse your space with Moonstone energy. It's dressed with moonstones, pink Himalayan salt, plus assorted wildflowers, and emits a crisp aroma of coconut, cucumber, vanilla, and mint to inspire balance and harmony. That is amazing. I knew I kind of smelled coconut, but I just wasn't too sure. Very pretty. I can't wait to light this up. We love. All right, so the next product that I see, this is a Quantum Beauty Gemstone Power Oil. Wow, it's a blissful balance oil with a tiger eye stone, made with an uplifting blend of sunflower, jojoba, and rosemary oil to hydrate, soothe, calm with a blissful blend of honeysuckle, orange, and cedarwood bark oils. Well, that is just awesome. I love good oils, especially that come in a roller ball. These are good for like when you're on the go or when you're traveling. So that's how that looks. It is a little bit slippery, like I think it spilled just a little bit. Which I noticed that when oils come in this box, they don't really package it that quite, because that happened with last month. It just got a little sticky and a little messy, but nothing I can't wipe down. And that tiger eye stone is gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see that well. Let me see if I can try to focus on it. There you go. Look at that. That's really nice. Let me smell it. Yeah, this smells really nice. This is a lovely oil. I just wish they were to package these a little bit better so that way it doesn't spill. Because I know usually with oils too, you're supposed to have them upright and not flat. So hopefully they'll get better on that kind of packaging. And this tiger eye rollerball goes for $45. So the next product I'm gonna grab, ooh, is this chocolate? Yes, it's a, let me zoom in. This is fine and raw chocolate. It has 70% cacao and sea salt, which is really nice. I love, is this dark chocolate? I wanna say it is. Packaging of this is so beautiful. I love chocolate. I've been craving some too, so this is actually perfect. All right, so it says this 70% chocolate bar is made with unrefined coconut sugar, raw cacao, and a sprinkle of sea salt. Let the salt crystals melt along with the cacao to open your palate and help you taste the rich flavor of dark chocolate. So it is dark chocolates. I love dark chocolate, especially when there is some sea salt infused in there. So good. And this chocolate goes for $5. Actually has a good amount of lasting power until 2021, so keep this stored for a while if I wanted to. All right, so the next thing I see is this. It says, I write with intention and manifest my dreams. So just from feeling it, oh no, the phone is falling. So just from feeling it, I want to say this is some kind of like beauty facial roller. I don't know. I'm just trying to feel it and guess what it is. So, oh my god, it's a pen. This is so beautiful. And it has some like clear quartz in it. I love a good pen. This is really nice. Funny, I was mentioning to my boyfriend the other day how there's just so many pens in the world and I love collecting them all. This is a really beautiful pen. And yes, I was right. There is clear quartz in there. Crystals are conduits that allow positive energy to flow. Write with this magical clear quartz pen to clear negativity, release energetic blockages, and amplify positive intentions so you can manifest your dream. Use it for journaling, signing high vibe agreements into being. Wow, this is amazing. And since I've been into bullet journaling, I have my dream journal too from last month's box, so I'm really going to be using this a lot. That is lovely. This pen goes for $11. So nice. And I love this pouch that it comes in. I can't even. All right, so, oh yes, okay, so this is one product that I did see on Instagram as well. I am actually so happy for this. This is the Crystal Seer. This is a book that is all about crystals, which is amazing. I've always wanted a book about crystals, and I finally got one with this book, with this box I meant. So I'm so glad I didn't go out and buy one myself. So it says, crystals are oracles. Use this portable reference guide with wisdom from over 160 minerals to tune into the messages they carry and take in their magical and healing qualities. So this book goes for $13, which is just amazing. I've always wanted to expand my knowledge on crystals because, to be honest, I only know the basics. So I'm very happy for this. This is probably like the most exciting thing in this box because, like I was mentioning, I've always wanted to learn about crystals. So I definitely cannot wait to start reading. These images are really beautiful. It looks super nice and simple. Awesome. All right, so the next product that I am feeling feels like a sheet mask. Oh, and it is. This is the Jade Wisdom Plus Peace facial mask. It's infused with absorbing matcha to help promote shine-free skin. That is pretty amazing. I love jade. I have a jade roller that I use it with my skincare, so this is pretty awesome. I wonder if it does have jade in it as well. So this is an at-home beauty essential. This jade-inspired face mask features matcha and botanical extracts that offer jade-like benefits of tranquility, purity, and longevity. So it's just jade-inspired, probably because of the green of matcha, so that's pretty awesome. And this sheet mask goes for $3. So I'm so happy this came with the facial mask. I love doing masks, especially sheet masks. They're really good for these times right now when we have just so much time to ourselves. So we can use these for like a nice little spa day. Amazing. Well, I think the final product should be the crystal. That's all I'm feeling. And yes, it is a cute little crystal. And like I said, my crystal knowledge is not the best, so I'm not too sure what kind of a crystal this is. Let me look on here. So this is a labradorite, which is a powerful stone of magic, auric protection, and transformation. Meditate with this crystal on your third eye to expand your consciousness and awaken your psychic power. So that is pretty lovely. It's a nice looking crystal. The details on it are really beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that well. I like it. And this crystal goes for $6. Alright, you guys, so this was April's 2020 Goddess Provisions box. I honestly truly love every product in this, so I cannot wait to start using these items. And for the online digital bonus, we have a Cultivating Crystalline Resilience. Access the crystal-infused healing journey to transform limiting beliefs into limitless potential through guided meditations, somatic experiencings, yogic wisdom, journal prompts, and more. So that is pretty nice. I actually do like the digital bonuses that they come with. So that is amazing. And like I mentioned, the monthly mantra is the ancient wisdom of crystals guides my sacred path. And the art is really nice on this. It just gives you more information about their moon wisdom digital membership that they have. I actually am subscribed to this, and it's really nice because it just gives you a breakdown of like the zodiac and also the moon that's going to be for the month and the moon phases. So I actually really have been enjoying that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy the products that were in this box, then give it a thumbs up and let me know how you guys feel about the box, or if you guys are going to be subscribed to them after this video. I would love to know your guys' thoughts as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.